Welcome to BSc Statistics students. In this class, I explain an additional theorem of probability for two events. We have two theorems for two events for n events, generalization also. Now we discuss for two events. What is additional theorem? For example, A and B are any two events, then probability of A union B can be expressed as probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of A intersection B. This is what the statement of the theorem. For any two events A and B, probability of A union B is equal to probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of A intersection B. To prove this particular theorem, I draw Venn diagram. So, for example, I consider this is what the total sample space, and I consider two events, sample space S. I consider two events A and B in this fashion. For example, this is what A, the event A. I have considered the set form, and the event B also. This is what the event B, and this is what event A. This is intersection part, which means A intersection B. Now I consider one another particular part. For that, I consider A complement. What is the part of A complement? This is A. A complement is nothing but other than A. So this entire part, this is nothing but A complement. Hope you understand. And now what is B? This is entire, the second set is nothing but B. Now what is the intersection between A complement and B? A complement and B. So this is B. This remaining part is of A. It is nothing but in S. Remaining part of A in S. It is nothing but A complement. Now the intersection between A complement and B. This is A complement, and we want to calculate. I want to show what is the A complement and B. The intersection part of what is the intersection part of A complement and B. So which is nothing but hope you understand. This is what the intersection between A complement and B. So this is what I write A complement intersection B. This entire, this only this particular part of B which is not of A intersection B. Only the part of B other than A intersection B. That is nothing but A complement intersection B. Now I consider A union B. It is a union of two disjoint events. One A, this is what A, it's entire A, and another one A complement intersection B. If you take union of these two events, these two sets, it will be A. So now I am writing, let us consider A as union of two disjoint, A union B. A union B as union of two disjoint events, one A, another one A complement intersection B. If you consider union of these two particular events, you will get A union B. If you understand, this is what A, and this is A complement intersection B. So if you consider, the union part, union of these two disjoint events, these two are disjoint. Why? Because there is no common element between A and A complement intersection B. Therefore, they are disjoint. So if you consider union of those two events, then you will get A union B. A union B is nothing but this entire part and this entire part. Both the parts of A and B. Right? So therefore, that is nothing but A union B. A union B is nothing but can be expressed as A union A complement intersection B. The union of two disjoint events A and A complement intersection B. Now I consider probabilities. Probabilities on both sides. Probability of A union B is equal to probability of A union A complement intersection B. Whenever there's, by the property of probability, whenever you have two disjoint events, probability of A union B can be expressed as probability of A plus probability of B if they are disjoint. So if A and A complement intersection B are disjoint, therefore we can write as probability of A plus probability of A complement intersection B since they are disjoint. A and A complement intersection B are disjoint. Now I add and subtract probability of A intersection B in this particular for this particular part. So which means plus probability of A intersection B and minus probability of A intersection B. I have add and subtract probability of A intersection B. So that now you see, you leave this as it is and plus probability of, you see here this is probability of A complement intersection B and plus probability of A intersection B. You see the, you refer the Venn diagram. This is A complement intersection B and this is A intersection B. These two are also disjoint events. These two are also disjoint events. If we consider two disjoint events, if we consider the union of those particular disjoint events, for example, probability of E1 union E2, that can be expressed as probability of E1 plus probability of E2. This is there, probability of E1 plus probability of E2, and if you join those two particular probability of E1 plus probability of E2, and it can be expressed as probability of E1 union E2. That is probability of A complement intersection B union A intersection B and minus probability of A intersection B. ఇక్కడ ఏం చేసాము, here A union B has expressed as probability of A union A complement intersection B, for which you have written as probability of some E1 union E2 which can be expressed as probability of E1 plus probability of E2. Now here we have considered probability of E1 plus probability of E2 can now expressed as probability of E1 union E2. These both are same, probably in the one in the sense that A plus B whole square is equal to, another one in the sense of A square plus B square plus 2AB is equal to A plus B whole square, like that. So therefore this is what the expression for this, for these two, probability of A complement intersection B plus probability of A intersection B can be expressed as, can be written as probability of A complement intersection B union probability of A intersection B. This is one of the property of probability. One of the property of probability. Whenever A and B are disjoint events, we can write as probability of A and B can be expressed as probability of A plus probability of B. Similarly, probability of A plus probability of B can be expressed as probability of A and B. Whenever they are disjoint. Since they are disjoint, A complement intersection B and A complement intersection B and A intersection B which are disjoint, therefore we can write this. Now we see what is this part, A intersection B and A complement intersection B union. This is nothing but B. You see here, this is what the B. B is nothing but the union of A intersection B and A complement intersection B. This is part. Then it is nothing but B. So therefore, the union of these two is nothing but B. Probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of A intersection B. Hope the result is obtained. What is probability of A union B? We have to prove it as probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of A intersection B, hence this is the result. So this is what the simple additional theorem of probability for two events A and B. For any two events A and B, probability of A union B can be expressed as probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of A intersection B. Okay. Hope you understand. This is what the theorem. Thank you.